Hello, my name is Xavier. I'm from Denmark. I'm a florist. And today we're working here with Lisianthus, that secret, wonderful ingredient that just makes magic much even bigger. I've brought a frame bouquet for you today, kind of inspired of, it could be Mother's Day that would be up and running, or it could be Valentine, or just to show someone that you appreciate them, how much you love them. The frame would end up looking something like this. So I'll just take you through two of the processes that is quite important. The constructed frame, that would be the stabilizing, and the hearts I'll attach to them later. The first thing I will do is I take the normal bonsai wire. Maybe you know it. If you know it, you know that is not the most stable thing you can get. I will attach the one end into my drill, if it works. And then you can just take a plier or something like that to hold the other end. It's just to secure it so you won't hurt yourself. There you go. And when you spin it like this, it turns out to be very much harder, and then it's way easier to do a construction with it. And this would be the thing I use for construction, like the armature for this bouquet. And then there's that small little minor detail on top that is quite easy to do, but you need to practice maybe 1 or 2 times. I prefer using jewelry pliers because they are smaller and they are easier to get those nice little swirl widths. So you just grab the end, let the metal do its work by itself, and then you just bend it in the middle and bend a little bit more, and then you have a heart. And when you have added these little hearts to the construction, there is only the fun thing left to add the Lisianthus. Place them into my structure, kind of like enhancing this U shape that would be compared to this is a bouquet for you, not for me. And almost done here. My last thing is just to do some little contrast to those curved lines. I liked nice contrast a grass can give me. One going one direction and one going the other direction. Again, symbolizing 2 people that could meet up somewhere there. And then I'll just tie it up. I like the paper covered wire because that's easier for me to use. And there you have it, a bouquet for someone you hold near and dear. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Xavier. I'm from Denmark. Today working with the beautiful Lisianthus, the last magical touch.